catfish.
I was wondering if it was gonna be a catfish.
Oh my God, it's a flathead.
Is it? Here we go. Come on. There we go. We're in the cover now. That's a good one, bud. For me, anyway. I'll tell you what, that might be my biggest smallmouth. Right back where he came from. There we go. There he's on there now. Wasn't even that big. Right? Huh? I know, right? Tell you what, they don't mess around. When they're off, they're gone. There we go. All that work for that little guy. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. Sure is. He choked it too. Right. There you go, buddy. Good to me. Right. Right. Hey, what about that fish? Yeah, but you see the quality of what I'm catching. Little. Up. Oh, there we go. Little guy. Little rock bass. Dang it. How about that? Hey, it worked. I got him. A smallmouth minnow. That's a pretty fish right there. Little bluegill. That's a good one. Hopefully he's in 30 seconds. Plus, this way we have both ends of the spectrum covered. Yeah. So if you don't have the video, it don't count. Wow.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's some guy.
Could be a catfish.
Dude, there is a huge.
Huh? Is it a big one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I see a swirl now.
It's a catfish.
I was wondering if it was gonna be a catfish.
Oh my god, it's a flathead.
Is it?
Oh my god.
There's no way.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. It's a flathead. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bring him out here. Well,
Dude,
you
he's
can't do nothing with him.
so powerful.
I seen him there for a second. Need me to try to mouth him?
Not yet.
That is a little flathead, ain't it? Oh, you gonna give him that
I'm
sandbar?
gonna try to get him up out of where he, if the line breaks, we can grab him.
Right.
I'm not sure what to do with the catfish.
Bring him over here a little bit. I'll grab him by the mouth.
I ain't gonna pull no harder.
Hey, he's not ready.
Get him. Get him. Oh my god.
Look at that.
I thought I
Take a
That's
picture.
beautiful fish.
It is. It's dark.
Back to the beach you go.
Give me a fry.
That was exciting.
But he's ate plenty of bluegills.
I bet he has too.
He blends in so
Oh my
good.
goodness, no kidding. Blends in perfect. There, he turned around.
Coming right at me.
Right, there he goes.
Oh man, that was amazing.
Hey guys, as always, thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe down there in the corner and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos, and we'll see you next time.